Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma, Hare Hare. Nice horse. We have few rotis left from our breakfast and we would like to feed these beautiful horses, mini horses. Hare Krishna, it's a horse ride up to the mountains. Nice weather, beautiful weather. And the sweetest thought that warms my heart that soon we are going to Vrindavan, not very soon actually, but we take every opportunity to enjoy the fresh air, contact with the animals, feeding them, and also morning japa in these beautiful landscapes. Such a sweet horse.
Yes.
And the size of horse is appropriate for me. I'm small, little, and this cute horse is also small.
What about this elephant?
And this elephant is huge. What do you mean?
I mean about size.
Size? Big? Huge? Huge. You know what is huge?
No. Okay, and what about Buddha?
Buddha is orange.
Namamishwaram Sachidanandarupam Asatkundalam Gokule Brajamanam Yashodabhiyolo Kaladavamanam Karam Nishtamajantatta Juchakopya Budantamu Necha Yugmam Rejantam Karam Boja
Found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 puppies, and there's mother walking around, but they're so cute and little. I can't stop myself from like just touching them. And I heard that Srila Prabhupada once he also stroked the puppy and his disciples were so surprised. They said he is not clean, he is in ignorance, but they also need Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rāma, Rāma Rāma, Hare Hare. Hello. 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 Hare Krishna. Radhe Shyam. Haribol. Haribol. Смотрите, на носу.